So today's a day we're trying to move some of these cars. I got Bill over there, same guy that helped me with the TR6, taking some wheels off the midget so we can try to get something that'll hold air. And then we're going to take the roof off of my addition here because I'm going to reuse the metal for the ceiling in the new shop. And right now we got Mike from the 98Ek YouTube channel up there starting to pull screws, and I'm just about to go up there and start pulling some myself. Well, that's all the roofing material off of there. Still gotta finish taking the wrap, which was there to keep the condensation running down to the end. And then we got all that material cut in half because they were 25-foot sections, and I only need 12.5-foot sections for the ceiling. So that worked out really good. And then we managed to get all 4 of those MGs moved today.
Now this is the way to move a car if it doesn't have wheels. Keep going, keep going. That should be good.
Good on this side, Rob.
Woo-hoo-hoo! How about that?
All right, well, Project Ginsu is ready to go to its new home. Unfortunately, I did not get the suspension underneath of it and get the wheel up on the trailer, but we got it up there along with some of my equipment. All right, well, the Buick is finally heading to its final destination. Now, this left rear was locked up on it, and it managed to free up as we were moving it back and forth trying to get it loaded on the trailer or truck. So lucky for him. And it's got a Subaru up on the truck. My guess is that thing's probably got a blown motor. After all, it is a Subaru. But that car served me well. Drove it for 2 years. Spent $1,000 on it just as a beater to get me by for a little while. Got rear-ended in it. Got paid out $1,500 for that, and now they just gave me $300 to haul it away. So I can't complain.